Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we were discussing English grammar chapter number 3, finite and non-finite verbs. Questions exercise. Exercise we were discussing. Today we continue the same exercise. So all students, open your English grammar book. ABCD number yesterday complete. Today we start number E. E number. Choose the correct to infinitive or present participle or of the verbs given in brackets and fill in the blanks. Question is that we have to use to infinitive, to plus V1 or present participle means ing verb. Would you mind? The rule is that mind plus ing verb. So, opening second number. I would like to. We know that would like to comes together. So, I would like to see third number. We were pleased. The rule we know that glad, happy, pleased plus V1. After the words V1 used. We were pleased to hear. Third number means fourth number. The doctor advised Rajia to stay. Five number. Have you finished? The rule is that finish plus ing verb. Have you finished cooking? Sixth number. I would like to remind you. After remind, V1 comes. I would like to remind you to read. To read. Seven number. I don't enjoy. Enjoy plus ing verb comes. I don't enjoy watching. Eight number. Nancy refused. Nancy refused to help. After refused, 2 comes. 2 plus V1 comes. Not ing verb. 9 number. Did the town council decide? Decide to build. After decide, V1 comes. Decide to build. 10 number. John will help you. After help, V1 comes. John will help you to fix. Now, F number. Fill in the blanks with the to infinitive or present participle of the verbs from the box. You may use some verbs more than once. The same question, 2 plus V1 infinitive will be used or ing verb will be used from the bracket. Some verbs will be repeated more than once. We have to use. First one. The detective Hercule Poirot needs. After need V1 comes. Needs to travel. Needs to travel from Turkey to Paris. Place name, so travel verb become needs to travel from Turkey to Paris. Second number. He manages. After manage V1, he manages to get on the train. To get. Get on means climb train. To get on. Third number. On the train, he doesn't imagine. The rule is that imagine plus ing verb. Just after imagine, ing verb comes. On the train, he doesn't imagine meeting. Fourth number. Parrot is also invited. After invite, V1 come. Invited to help the other passengers on the train. Parrot is a detective. Fourth number. Parrot is also invited to help the other passengers on the train. 5 number. During the night, there was heavy snowfall and the train was unable, after unable V1 comes, unable to continue its journey. Continue its journey. Sixth number. The next morning, a murder is discovered. The train authorities asked Hercule Poirot to help them. Murder was occurred, so he was asked to help them. 7. They need him to solve the crime. He was detective, so he was able to solve the crime. 8 number. The murdered man was an American millionaire, and since the doors were still locked, the murderer on the train. The murderer had murdered or has murdered. Has is coming, so this sentence is wrong. 9 number. There were 12 suspects. 12 persons were in doubt for murdering. There were 12 suspects. Of course, all the 12 suspects deny. After deny, V1 comes. Deny to be the victim. Victim means killer. Deny to be the victim. Ten number. Hercule Poirot spent some time asking them questions. He was detective. He spent time asking them questions, and he manages to give, after manages to give lot of information about them all. In fact, they were all guilty of the crime, but chose to give two explanation. To give explanation to the police. G number. Fill in each blank with the gerund form of the verb given in the box. There are verbs. Gerund form is ing. We have to use ing verb from box. Different people enjoy doing different things. Rita, for example, loves singing in the bathroom, while her brother Ravi likes listening to the music. The other day, my mother told my father that smoking is bad for his health. But my father said he enjoyed it. My neighbor is fond of playing with puppies and kittens. He knows a lot about kittens. In fact, keeping kittens is his hobby. And I love reading comic books. Last question, H number. Complete the sentence by supplying the suitable preposition and gerund of the verb of the given verbs. We have to use gerund form ing, and before that ing verb we have to use preposition. Think. The matter. On thinking. First number, on thinking, or we can also write after thinking. On or after thinking the matter carefully, we took the decision. Second number, she is accustomed. After accustomed, to comes. She is accustomed to sleeping during the day. Third number, the man is capable of. After capable of comes. The man is capable of doing any harm to others. Doing any harms to others. 4 number. Many people are engaged. After engaged, in comes. Engaged in building that dam. The guard was accused. After accused, of comes. Accused of helping a thief. 6 number. Ajit succeeded. After succeed, in comes. Ajit succeeded in climbing the tree. 7 number. Hurry up. I want to go horse shopping. 8 number. Are you afraid? After afraid, of comes. Are you afraid of going out at night? So students, that's all. Chapter number 3 grammar finish. Thank you.